including sexual assault and sex trafficking. One was brought by his former partner and R&B singer Cassie.
Welcome to today's deep dive investigation into one of the most high-profile legal cases in recent history, the federal sex crimes trial of Sean Diddy Combs. Once celebrated as a hip-hop mogul, businessman, and cultural icon, Combs is now facing some of the most serious allegations of his career. Today, we will take you through the timeline of events, the charges he faces, the impact on his career, and what legal experts predict for the future. Stay with us as we break down the facts behind this shocking case. Section 1. Who is Sean Diddy Combs? To fully grasp the gravity of the situation, let's take a look at the man at the center of it all, Sean Diddy Combs. Born in 1969, Combs rose to fame in the 1990s as the mastermind behind Bad Boy Records, launching the careers of legendary artists such as the Notorious B.I.G., Faith Evans, and Mace. His influence extended beyond music into fashion, spirits, and television, solidifying his reputation as one of the most powerful figures in entertainment. But in recent years, accusations of misconduct, power abuse, and criminal activities have surfaced, culminating in a federal investigation that has rocked the industry. Section 2. The charges and legal timeline. The legal battle officially began in September 2024 when federal authorities arrested Combs and charged him with a series of offenses related to sex trafficking, forced labor, and racketeering. But the case itself traces back decades, with prosecutors alleging a pattern of criminal behavior spanning over 20 years. On March 14th, 2025, Combs appeared in a Manhattan federal court and pleaded not guilty to a newly filed indictment. The charges against him include sex trafficking. Prosecutors claim Combs orchestrated a network of victims coerced into performing sexual acts through manipulation, threats, and force. Racketeering conspiracy. The government argues that Combs used his business empire, including Bad Boy Entertainment, to further illegal activities. Forced labor. Employees allegedly worked under exploitative conditions, fearing retaliation if they disobeyed his demands. Transportation for prostitution. Authorities say Combs arranged for individuals to travel across state lines for illegal sexual encounters. If convicted, Combs faces a prison sentence ranging from 15 years to life. Section 3. The evidence. Prosecutors have presented a range of evidence to support their claims. One of the most damning pieces is a hotel surveillance video that allegedly shows Combs assaulting his former girlfriend, Cassie Ventura. Ventura, a former singer signed to Bad Boy Records, has publicly accused Combs of years of abuse. Though her legal case was settled out of court, her allegations are playing a crucial role in shaping the narrative of the federal trial. Additional evidence includes witness testimonies from former employees, financial records suggesting hush money payments, and digital communications that prosecutors claim prove Combs' involvement in criminal activities. However, Combs' defense team is challenging these claims. They argue that the prosecution's case relies on circumstantial evidence and testimonies from individuals with personal grudges or financial motives. Defense attorneys have also questioned the authenticity of the surveillance footage, hinting at potential tampering. Section 4. Public reaction and industry impact. The case has ignited heated debates across social media, the music industry, and beyond. Fans and fellow artists are divided, some standing by Combs, citing his contributions to music and culture, while others demand accountability for the serious allegations against him. Major brands have also taken action. Combs' business ventures, including Ciroc Vodka and DeLeon Tequila, have faced significant losses, with some investors pulling out. His television projects and public appearances have been indefinitely suspended. Meanwhile, advocacy groups are using the case to highlight broader issues of power abuse in the entertainment industry, calling for reforms and protections for vulnerable individuals. Section 5. Legal expert opinions. Legal experts are weighing in on what to expect from the upcoming trial, set to begin on May 12, 2025. Some predict that prosecutors will push for high-profile witnesses to testify against Combs, possibly including former employees and industry insiders. Others speculate that his defense team may attempt to settle outside of court, though the severity of federal charges makes this unlikely. Former federal prosecutors suggest that if even a fraction of the allegations are proven, a guilty verdict could be inevitable. However, with a high-powered legal team at his disposal, Combs is expected to fight the case aggressively. Section 6. What happens next? As jury selection begins on May 5th, 2025, the world will be watching. This case is more than just a trial. It is a pivotal moment in the music industry, a test of the justice system, and a reckoning for one of hip-hop's most influential figures. Will Sean Diddy Combs be convicted and serve a lengthy sentence? Or will his defense team dismantle the case against him? Only time will tell. Thank you for tuning in to our deep dive into the federal trial of Sean Diddy Combs. Stay with us for future updates as the trial progresses. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share.